Alright, it's official. The DJI Inspire 3 will be unveiled on April 13, 2023, and the last bits of rumored hardware make it the best professional drone you can purchase right now. So what are the specifications? And how might Inspire 3 use it to take over the drone market? Let's research this. So, DJI released a new teaser recently where we can see DJI is referring to continuing the legacy of Inspire 2. All the leaked images from the previous year were only prototypes. However, the recently released pictures are likely of the final product as they coincide with the upcoming launch of Inspire 3. DJI is expected to introduce several modifications to the third iteration of its Inspire drone. Starting with the sensor, it'll be a full-frame camera likely the Zenmuse 9 which can capture videos with a resolution of up to 8K. It's typical for DJI to introduce a new camera system with each version of the Inspire drone. The prototypes revealed that the Inspire 3 will support the X9 camera system for filmmaking. Moreover, the Inspire 3 will have lumix lenses and a Lightwell mount integrated into its body. In our previous video, we weren't sure whether it'll have the 7 or 9. But now with latest leaked images we're pretty sure about it being the X9. Another thing we're pretty spot on was its design. The upcoming DJI Inspire 3 drone will be somewhat more streamlined than its predecessor. But it will retain its signature design elements such as the flipping propellers and landing gear. The nose of the drone's body will be raised for improved ground clearance, unlike other professional drones. The arms of the Inspire 2 move upward along with the fixed landing gear to provide the camera with an unobstructed view, giving it a distinctive filming capability. Based on the leaked footage, it appears highly likely that Inspire 2 will maintain this iconic movement. Along with the ability to shoot 8K at 60 feet, the Inspire 3 will feature the advanced Active Track 3.0 feature, which means the drone can track moving objects with incredible precision, ensuring you never miss a shot. The Inspire 3 will also have 360-degree optical sensors, making it safe and easy to fly in any direction. With the maximum fly speed of 50 miles per hour and a flight time of up to 36 minutes, with dual batteries you'll be able to capture all the footage you need, without worrying about running out of power. Now, the official price isn't out yet. The current market price for Inspire 2 is approximately $3,300. However, considering the various upgrades in the Inspire 3, such as the 8K UHD camera, 360-degree sensors, and improved flight performance, it's unlikely that the starting price of the new drone will be around $5,000. The Inspire 2 has been on the market for 4 years, and in early 2022, DJI informed its Chinese retailers the drone would be discontinued. This has left professional aerial photographers wondering when the Inspire 3 will be released. So, it's really assuring for all the fans that DJI officially teased us with the announcement. It's unclear if this drone will be available right from the day of the announcement or not, but we'll get to see it on hand for sure in the NAB Show 2023, beginning on the 15th of April 2023. So, are you waiting the DJI Inspire 3? If you want to receive more content like this in your feed, let us know what you think in the comments box below.